So my package just got to me a few minutes ago. As you can see, I'm just coming back from getting this package. So I was actually sewing and I was making an outfit for my client when I got a call from Speed Up. Okay, so I got that I should come to so place to pick up my package, and I zoomed off immediately. And here I've gotten my second package from Temu. So I actually don't want to do this unboxing behind the camera, and later on I'll just come here to now show you. But I want to get my reaction on this camera, because the first order I had was actually very good, and this time around I'm trusting Temu, because that first unboxing I did behind the camera before I made a video on the package I got was because that was my first time order. So I was so nervous, or out of so much curiosity, or I was scared, so that was why I had to do that. But this time around, because I've already had the first experience with Temu, I'm not scared, because my instinct is telling me that this is gonna bang like the first order on Temu. It's gonna bang like my first order on Temu. I think I have to move this. All right. Okay. So unboxing. Woo! Unboxing time. See this package. I shall be unboxing this. Okay. I hesitate. Open. Okay. I see another nylon inside this nylon. All right, I still have some stuffs here, but I think I'll be going with this smaller nylon first. Okay. Then this size a bit more secured. All right. So this is the first one. Okay. Tell me, don't do this. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Okay. I don't think this is bad. I honestly don't have any reaction at this point. I don't even know how to. Well, this is exactly what I saw on the website, but it's looking inferior. Am I disappointed? I don't even know. I saw. This is a nude, but the frame is big. Like, it's big. It's big. But it's still cool. So this is what it looks like. I will still be putting up the image I saw on their website. And this is the blue colored glasses. Okay. I think the blue is it looks so inferior. Temu, why? You don't do this to me. You already won my heart from the first order. Okay, we'll move. So this is the second item I got on Temu. I'll also be dropping a picture of what it looks like on the website. And so this is this is cute. I love it. I love the quality. Okay, so but then I'm giving these glasses 4.5. Remove. So this one is actually good. I love the quality. It looks strong. So it's a bracelet. I'll also be putting up the picture from the website beside the screen. And this is cute. I love it. I love this one. Timo, thank you for this one. I love it. Okay, I think I already had something like this before, but this one is in a smaller version. Then I don't know how I'm supposed to wear this. It's not okay. It can actually expand. Okay.
Ah, good. What am I doing? I don't know, but this is it. No one is here to actually help me to. No one is here to help me out with this one so that I can pin it. But this is good. Yeah, this is good. So this one I'm giving it a ouch. I'm giving this one 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. So I'll just keep it aside. Then the next one is this earring. So the picture will always be on the side of the screen. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is cute. I mean, this is cute. This is cute. Oh my god. Is cute. I mean, cute. This is cute. I mean, I don't know this. Oh god. No, 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 no. This is cute. This is cute. This is really cute. And it's exactly what I ordered. Over 10, I'm giving this a solid 9, 9, 9, 9.5. Okay. Let's go with 9.5. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love this. This is an earring. So that's it for the earring. Oh, okay. Same. Okay. This was the second one. This bracelet I actually ordered too. Yeah. So one for me, one for my sister. Then this. Is it just one earring that's supposed to be? I don't understand. I think I'm tensed. I think I'm tensed. I think I'm tensed. It's actually two. It's not one. I'm tensed. I think I'm tensed. My mind is already on. Go to their website to get reports. I think I'm tense. Okay. So this one is this earring is one like this. I think I saw it like this on the website. The hook is actually inverted. Okay. Oh, I think I will just have to figure out the best way to wear this earring because I saw it, as you can see the picture right here. So I don't know. I'll figure it out later. On to the next. So this is a 9.5. It's very good. I really love it. Then this is my AirPods. At first I was being so skeptical on ordering this AirPods, it was a lot of back and forth. If I add it to my cart, the next day I'll remove it. So I'll be testing this AirPod. Okay, sorry, that's the charger. So the whole back and forth. It's small. This is small. This is petite. This is very small. This is very small, but I don't care about the size. What's this? This is a micro AirPod. It's cute though, but it's too small. The casing is too small. Okay. So I'm not supposed to use this, right? I have to charge it and they just look alike. So I have to wait. So I don't really know how to give you all the feedback on the quality of this. So I'm not really going to judge or give my review on this particular AirPod, but there's this light sound of tuning and the sound is not bad, but I don't really care about the size because at the end of the day I just want a good sound quality. Okay, it fits perfectly. Like, I love it. It fits perfectly. The casing is small. What I mean small compared to my other AirPod, quite so small. My palms are very small, so for my palms to actually cover this, it means that this is ultra small. But that's by the way, that's not really how I judge mine. All I'm after is the sound quality, because looking at it like this, I don't think it's bad. With the tung sound I'm hearing, if I put it in my ear, it's still not bad. So this is the cord that came with it. So the smaller package, I think that's all for the smaller bag or the smaller nylon. Onto the next.
for the big package. Oh my gosh! Okay. Alright, so all these things I need to charge it first. When you get any all these appliances, you need to charge them first. So this is a juicing cup. It's a blender actually, not just a cup. The way we say our things and the way these people say their things, they're not the same. Okay, okay, okay.
So this is we need to charge them so that we don't spoil the battery first. When you get all these appliances, you need to store the carton. You need to charge them first. You're not supposed to charge them like that, and we just took our light. Well, right.
And they're still bringing it back. This is beautiful. Comfort. This is cute. I mean, oh my God. I hope you function well, as cute as you look. This is cute.
Okay. I'm trying to on it under the blender. Whatever. How do I have this? Ah, Jesus. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. This is it.
Honestly, don't want to take the risk of trying to on this thing and all of that before usage. I have to read the manual. Yes, that's one to me. I have to read the manual because I can't afford to have this thing spoiled. I have to read the manual. So when I'm not reading the manual, that's when I'll go to their website to drop my review. I don't drop my review immediately, especially for even this microphone I'm using, making use of right here. I took up to like 2 weeks before I dropped my review because I want to be sure that this actually works well. So that was why I was not scared to order for all of these appliances on Temu because I already did that microphone and it sounds so good, right? Yes. So this is the last one. I can't give this a rating, but it's cute. This is cute. I don't know. This video is not doing justice to the beauty of this blender. Okay, you can see open it from the top. Why am I so obsessed with this particular blender? Okay, no, just cap. This is cute and it's white. Mwah. Reading the manual letter to know how to make use of it, and I have to charge it. I think this is where, see, this is where we plug it, and it has this cord as well. So I'm going to make use of this tonight. I'm gonna charge it and make use of it tonight. I don't really know how to give the review. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I really forgot that this has been on my hair for a long time. Whew. Okay, so this is it for all my second order from Temu, and everything here costs around 30 something thousand. Can't remember the actual amount. I think I'll still have to go back to the website. I think it's around 30 something thousand. Tell me I'm coming. It's a gradual process. It's a gradual process. The first one I ordered for was around 20 something thousand because that one I was scared. I just had to do it because my sister actually did hers. I took the both step. But this particular one, I wasn't scared. I wasn't a bit. So that was why I decided to come more boldly on camera to bring out all of these items instead of unboxing it behind the camera and later I'll come on here to show you all. The excitement will not be there. But this one now is my real, unfiltered, unadulterated reaction of my second order from Temu. And this is so cute. Like, honestly, I just hope you don't break because this is made of glass. So that is all for today. Thank you all so much for being with me here. I really love all my items. The only one that wants to spoil my mood a little bit is this glasses. But what was I expecting? I don't know, it's still inferior, but I'll still wear it. I can't discard it. Thank you so much for being with me and for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share your experience with me in the comment section. I'm interested in that. Till some other time, I'll see you next time on the same channel. Have a lovely time ahead of you. Bye. Off to go charge my juice cup, aka my blender for smoothies, and off to charge my AirPod. Then my review, I'm pinning it in the comments section of this particular video. Have a lovely time ahead of you. Bye.